Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In about a month, I'm going to be celebrating my 60th birthday in Disney World with 9 of my besties and family. And I wanted to walk you through what I'm going to be taking in my park backpack. I just got this backpack at a yard sale for $8. It's like this one here. Okay, before I get going, let me just say one of the things you won't see in my backpack is my wallet. I'm taking this little mini wallet with me just to carry maybe one card, my ID, my medical insurance card, and a room key. That's it. I'm really gonna cull my wallet down to this little thing, but I'm not gonna put that in my backpack because if I ever leave my backpack somewhere, like on a ride, I need to leave it behind because you can't take it on or whatever. I just don't want to be separated from those very important things. So these will be staying with me in my pack. And so I'm gonna show you what I've trial packed in here. And for those of you who are experienced Disney World goers, do feel free to comment and let me know if maybe I'm forgetting something. But I think with a month to go, I will be well prepared either way. All right, so let's walk through what I've got here. So first of all, this really cool fabric, hoop, I'm not sure what to call it. It's just so easy to get an umbrella out of here. So this is my mini umbrella. And, because sudden rainstorms and such like that. All right, I'm gonna walk you through all these very cool pockets. So first is this very front pocket. I've got in here a couple pens because Dad always said, make sure you're carrying a pen with you. And he was always right, okay? So then I have this little kit for personal care stuff. So I've got some pain relievers, Kleenex, because I'll probably cry at that Epcot show, Luminous, the story of us. I'm sure I'm gonna cry. Kleenex. Then this is for sunscreen, and I've got some floss, some lip balm, and some hand lotion. So that's what's in here. And then in the next pocket in, of course, glasses. I've got glasses so I can read small print. I've got glasses so I can see the show long distance because, when there's all these great shows like Fantasmic and Luminous and the fireworks on the Sleeping Beauty Castle, right? You need to be able to see that. And sunglasses, all three, right? And I keep the case with me because on rides, I want to be able to put my sunglasses away, not put them on top of my head. I don't want to risk them blowing off or something like that. So I'm bringing the sunglasses case. All right. So that's that pouch. The other pouch on the front has in it, this is my GoPro pouch. So I've got my, what's recording right now is my media GoPro, but I also have a waterproof one. There's water rides, and so I want to have this with me. I have a wrist strap so that when I'm holding the GoPro on a ride, for example, Tower of Terror, right? I can actually put this around, loop it through, make sure the camera's secure, so if I'm filming, I won't risk dropping it and losing it because it'll be tethered to me. So that's what that's for. And then of course for taking group shots or whatever, I've got my little tripod, right? Okay, in the main pouch, I have my light jacket because it gets cold at night, possibly. In September, it can get maybe down into the 60s or 70s, so I've got a light jacket. Oh, I love this. A little place to strap on my nighttime ears. What do you think? Pretty cool, huh? All right, so those are also in there. I've got my external battery, right? The thing I love about this is it's got a number of different outputs. So no matter what I need to charge, a GoPro camera, a phone, or whatever, I can go ahead and use this for that. This just is a mag battery, so you can just put it on the back of your phone. It'll charge it, put the little stand out, and then there you go. You're charging. See? And then I also have in here, always carry a spare Ziploc baggie with you. So I always have a spare one. You just never know. These are the legs of my pants. I bought a bunch of zip off the legs so I can wear shorts, but then if it starts getting cold or something in the evening or a little brisk, I can just zip the legs on. And so that's what this is, very compact. And then the last thing is rain poncho, just in case, you know, water rides, etc., etc. Or if it rainstorms or something. So I have some rain poncho, a rain poncho. Okay, the only other thing I have is a few miscellaneous cables. This is for specific cable charging for my GoPro cameras. And that is it. That's the extent. Oh, of course, the one last thing we always forget. Water bottle, right? So this tactical backpack weighs about 9.5 pounds with all this in it, which is not bad. And I'm really excited that I found it at a yard sale for just $8. So if you're going to Disney and you need a pack, go check out some yard sales. You never know what you're gonna find. This just happens to fit everything and has room in the end for my hat, right? I'm going to be doing the, instead of a lanyard, because it's a sling pack, right? I don't want to wear a lanyard and risk my pins falling off. So I decided I'm going to use a hat for my pins. And that is going to fit right here on the top of my pack. When I, like if I'm gonna go on a ride or something and I want my hat to fall off or blow off and there go all my pins and my hat, I'm gonna just put it right here in my backpack, right on the very, very top, and everything just fits. It's great, with maybe little bit of room for some snacks or something small I might buy. All right, that's my Disney pack. What do you think? Did I forget anything? If I did, leave it in the comments, okay? And stay tuned on my channel and subscribe, because I will be filming in Disney World. It'll be really fun. Okay, we'll see you then. Bye.